Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to show you how to make simple cup of coffee in the dormitory. The tools and ingredients are coffee, sugar, spoon, a cup, water, and an electric kettle. The first, boil the water using an electric kettle. Okay, and then turn on. Okay, the second, prepare a cup. After that, add 1 spoon of coffee into the cup. Okay, we have to wait the water till hot. Okay, the water has been hot, and then you can turn on the kettle like this. Okay, and then you pour the water into the glass. Okay, enough. And then add the sugar if you like. Okay. Finally, stir the coffee well, like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's how I make a coffee in the dormitory. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.